hope you enjoyed your holiday this past week. Now, for our rhythm activity today, you are going to need fake Easter eggs. Now, some of you might have them lying around at home from your Easter egg hunts, but if you do not celebrate Easter, don't worry. This isn't about Easter eggs. What it really is just about having colored eggs that you can use to disappear and to play along with our memory game. Make sure that they're different colors, and obviously, if you're going to use Easter eggs, don't use real eggs, okay? That would be very messy and not a good thing. So if you don't have Easter eggs, you can use bouncy balls, bean bags, anything you have lying around the house that are 4 different colors. I have a funny chant, and it goes like this. Eggs, eggs, I have all these eggs. I'm growing afraid that one might have grown legs. Rolling and away it goes out the window right under my nose. All right, now, this is really interesting. You have to remember what color egg is disappearing. All right, let's take a look at what color eggs I have today. So I have, say it with me, I have green, purple, red, and blue. Now you have to memorize what's here. One of them might run away. Ready? Ba, 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 listen or chant. Eggs, eggs, I have all these eggs. I'm growing afraid that one might have grown legs. Rolling and out it goes, out of the window right under my nose. Check it out. What color egg is missing? It's tricky. Do you know which ones? If you guessed red, you were right. And it has a rhythm attached to it. Watch, as I point to myself, it's my turn to speak. When I do, it's your turn. Let's practice. It has a rhythm. Ba, 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 echo me. Ba, 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 ba. Try again. Ba, 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 ba. Excellent. Are you ready for another one to disappear? Here we go. Eggs, eggs, I have all these eggs. I'm growing afraid that one might have grown legs. Rolling away it goes, out the window right under my nose. Uh-oh. What egg is missing this time? Well, I'll give you a hint. It's the color of my shirt. There we go. The green egg. Ready? Here we go. Ba, 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 echo me. Ba, 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 ba. Try again. Ba, 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 ba. All right. Let's see. We're going to do this one more time, and I want you to try your best, again, to remember which color is missing. Here we go. Ba, 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 chant with me. Eggs, eggs, I have all these eggs. I'm growing afraid that one might have grown legs. Rolling away it goes, out of the window right under my nose. What's missing this time? If you guessed purple, you're right. Here we go. Ba, 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 echo me. Ba, 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 ba. One last time. Ba, 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 ba. Well done. Now, here's something that's tricky. I'm going to ask you one last thing. What egg did I not take away? Which rhythm did we not chant yet? Can you guess? The answer is blue. We didn't chant the blue eggs rhythm yet. Ba, 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 echo me. Ba, 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 ba. One last time. Ba, 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 ba. Great work. If you got all of them right, give yourselves a pat on the back. And here's the thing, you can keep playing this game, and if you're not sure of the words, they're going to be below in the comments. All right, so I hope you had fun with this, and we'll see you next time.